everyone, I hope you all are fine and healthy. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today I am going to discuss chapter 17 of your GK book, which is Musicians of India. So first you need to know who are musicians. So musicians are the person who creates, means who compose, who conduct and who performs the music. They are called musicians. So in this chapter, some picture of the musicians are given, right? And you are to identify that which particular instrument is played by which musician, right? So first I am starting with Zakir Hussain. So he is a tabla player. He is one of the greatest tabla player. Not only tabla player, he is a composer also. Composer means one who writes music. They are called composer. So besides tabla player, he writes music also, means he is a composer also, music producer, one who produced the music, as well as film actor too. Next is he was awarded the Padma Shri in the year 1988 and Padma Bhushan award in the year 2002. Now one question will arise in your mind that what is Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan? Come here everyone. These are highest civilian awards. Highest civilian awards are basically given to the people with their outstanding achievements in their field of work, in their respective fields of work. Okay, for their outstanding achievement, these highest civilian awards are given. So first highest civilian award is Bharat Ratna. Clear? Second highest civilian award is Padma Vibhushan. Third highest civilian award is Padma Bhushan and fourth highest civilian award is Padma Shri. So Zakir Hussain was awarded with Padma Shri, which is the fourth highest civilian award in the year 1988, and Padma Bhushan, which is the third highest civilian award in the year 2002. Now one more important fact about highest civilian awards is that this award is given by the President of India. The President of India gives this award to the people for their outstanding achievement in their respective field. And on which date this particular award is given? So point to be noted, on 26th Jan. And 26th Jan is celebrated as, yes, Republic Day. So this award is given by the President of India on every Republic Day, means on every 26th Jan this award is given to the people. Right. So come to the next, that is Amjad Ali Khan. Amjad Ali Khan, so which instrument he plays? So he is a sarod player. So he is an Indian classical sarod player. He is popularly known as Sarod Samrat. So first, what is sarod? As you can see in the picture, sarod is a stringed musical instrument. Okay. He is popularly known as Sarod Samrat. Why he is known as Sarod Samrat? So, sarod, here the word sarod means beautiful sound, melody you can say, or we also call it as melody, beautiful sound, and the word samrat means king or emperor. So, he is popularly known as Sarod Samrat. Why so? Because of his achievement or because of his playing technique of the sarod. Okay. Next is he was awarded with Padma Vibhushan in 2001. Padma Vibhushan, as I told you, second highest civilian award. Okay, in which respective field? As I told you, it is given to the respective field for their outstanding performance in respective field. So in sarod, as I told you, he is Sarod Samrat. He is also known as Sarod Samrat. So that's why he is awarded with the Padma Vibhushan award in the year 2001. So next is Bismillah Khan. He is an Indian musician who played Shehnai. So which instrument Bismillah Khan plays? He plays Shehnai. Next is he was awarded with the Bharat Ratna award in 2001. Again, Bharat Ratna is the first highest civilian award. Next is Padma Vibhushan. Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award in the year 1968, and Padma Shri, which is the fourth highest Indian civilian award in 1961. Ravi Shankar. He was an Indian musician and composer. Composer again, one who compose music, means one who write music. Next is, he is best known for Indian classical instrument sitar, means which instrument he plays? He plays sitar. Next is, he won 5 Grammy Awards. Now, what is Grammy Awards? Come here everyone. Grammy Awards. He is awarded for outstanding achievement in music industry, means Grammy Award is particularly given to the person for the outstanding achievement in music industry. Okay, so Ravi Shankar is awarded with the Grammy Award for his outstanding achievement in music industry. Next is, by whom this award is given? Like we have discussed, highest civilian award is given by the President of India. So Grammy Award is given by National Academy of Recording Arts, and where it is given? In United States. So next is Ravi Prasad Chaurasia. He is an Indian music director and classical flutist. Now what does this word means? It means someone who plays the flute. Okay, someone who plays flute. Okay, so he is a music director, means who direct the music, and classical flutist. Okay, next is, he was awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1992 and Yash Bharati Samman Award, Sangeet Natyak Academy Award in the year 1984. So these are the achievements of Ravi Prasad Chaurasia. Next is L. Subramaniam. His full name is Lakshmi Narayana Subramaniam. He is an Indian violinist again, one who plays violin, and composer, one who writes the music. He has written books also on orchestra.
Orchestra is a group of performers on various musical instruments, as you can see in the picture, for playing music.
Music films also, he has written books on music also, and Hollywood film. Hollywood film is English movies. Okay. He was awarded with, if we talk about the achievements of Lakshmi Narayana Subramaniam, then he was awarded with Padma Bhushan Award and Padma Shri Award. Padma Bhushan, 3rd highest civilian award, and Padma Shri, 4th highest civilian award. So these are the achievements of the Lakshmi Narayana Subramaniam. So next is Shiv Kumar Sharma. He is an Indian santoor player. So which instrument he plays? Yes, santoor. Next is, he also played music for many films like Silsila and Chandni. He was awarded with Sangeet Natak Academy Award, and Sangeet Natak Academy Award is basically India's National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama. Okay, so he was awarded with this award. Okay, next is Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. He is an Hindustani classical music instrumentalist, one who plays instrument. Okay, who plays Mohan Veena. Mohan Veena is basically a guitar. It's a guitar, and in this guitar you are going to find many options. So it's basically a guitar with many options. Okay, in 1969 he invented the Mohan Veena instrument, and this instrument, the instrument which he plays, was invented by him only. Okay. He was awarded with Grammy Award. Grammy Award, as I told you, it is awarded for outstanding achievement in music industry. So he was awarded by this award too. So this is about musicians of India.